we're gonna make an easy dessert. So let's start with the eggs. In Italian, they're called waffles. And where do we put the eggs? Good. I crack it. Ooh. Oy, like that. Here comes the sun, guys. Oh, there goes the sun.
Here we go, guys. Now I'm starting to mix. We're gonna put 2 tablespoons of cooking oil.
I think that'll almost down mixing. Okay, guys, let's move on. And put your fork in the cup. We have 3 tablespoons of latte, which is milk. This is 1 tablespoon. 2, 3. Last one. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe.
Now we're gonna
Pour the milk, let's go. Last one. Okay, now let's mix. Now we're gonna do 3 tablespoons of Nutella. It's cute, and the spoon Italia is cute tile.
Oh, that looks disgusting.
No, it looks like poop. Ew, it does look like poop in a toilet.
Okay, now I'm getting that.
Now mix it up. Okay, guys, I got a dry spoon.
And I'm sliding it
Help
off.
us get.
I'm spiting it off with my fork.
Me too.
And I'm working it out.
I'm gonna mix it very hard. Oh my god, guys, I think we used it all. Look. But it all, well, it looks like a jar of poop. Ew.
That's actually very good.
What?
It tastes very good.
Oh, it tastes really good, actually.
Okay, now let's do this one first.
And I'm gonna do this one first.
I'm using flour and taking 3 spoons.
And I'm using cocoa and taking 1 spoon.
1.
Need to open it. Oh no! So it's fine.
Flour and Italian is 5.
Now I'm gonna use 2 on the sugar. 1, 2. I'm gonna use 1 spoon of cocoa. That's enough. And I'm gonna put 3 spoons of flour. Guys, this tastes, I tasted it, and it tastes so good.
And guys, I can't stop tasting this. So good.
Oh my god, we almost forgot the yeast. Yeast in Italian is lievito. Okay guys, we're gonna do a 1/4 spoon of yeast, which is this much yeast. Look how fast I'm doing it.
I got my sound doing it.
That's not. Okay, so now I'm gonna put it in. And I made them on fancy. Let's do 1 minute. Let's take it out. Okay. Right there. Close it. 1. See that? You see that noise?
Guys, I'm so fast. And fast in Italian is volate.
Oh, look what happened to it. Looks really hot. Look at this.
Now I'm gonna put it in the microwave for 1 minute.
So now I'm gonna take it back.
Oh, it looks yummy. Not as good as a real cake.
So hot. I need to let it cool off. And the hot and Italian is hot though. It's more in the Nutella.
Yeah, now I'm taking a sip of my water.
My watch somewhere else. This cake is so good that I can't stop eating it.
Yeah, well, each time I eat it, it makes me thirsty. For watching.
Thanks for watching.